Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm called Doreen. Welcome to Dorin's Kitchen. Today we are going to have amazing African food, ugali. So guys, stay tuned. First of all, add water on your pot. Let the water. So first, you add some flour. Ongeza unga. So guys, the water boiled. It's boiled. So utaongeza. You will add your flour. This is a maize flour. Ongeza. So guys, you will start kukoroga. How do we call kukoroga? You will start working on your ugali. You will start working on your ugali. Yes, like this, you see. And it has a lot of mountains. Make sure you start until you remove all the mountains in your ugali. Flour again. Then I will start working on my ugali. You see, this way. This is how we cook ugali. Yes, you see, this is how we cook our ugali. Turn it like this. You see, guys. Guys, this is how we cook in Africa. You see how we are making ugali. Yes. You leave it a little bit to get some. Nope. Guys, you see? This way. Then I will cover my ugali. Then I will start turning it. When your mwiko is clean, cooking steak is clean, is when you will know that your ugali is ready, guys. Our ugali is ready. You start doing like this. Yes. Yes, we cover it. Then tutaitoa. We will remove it from the stove. See the end of that. Oh, guys, let's see the end result of our result. Wow. This is the end result. If you see that lion, know that you are. Ugali is good. See this? This is what we call ugali in Africa. Then, we want to make a good shape. We do like this. Make a good shape. Making a good shape of ugali. Yes.